All right, I'm excited because we're gonna go to Houston.
H-Town!
Yes.
Woo! All right, what are we doing, Matt Jackson?
We're going to the Monument Show.
The Monument Show. You know what? I actually read this the other day. It's really not called the Monument Show. It's called the Monumental Bug Bash.
Well, we're going to that.
Well, that's where we're headed. So, yes, and apparently this year, it's usually just so cool. It's at the San Jacinto Monument, a very treasured place in the state of Texas history, by the way. It's where we won our independence in 1836. I just want to throw that out to you. But anyway, so but they can't have the show there this year because it's on fire or something.
Yeah.
They had a ship channel disaster, chemical fire, something horrible. So we'll probably come out with third eyeballs. But, we're going to a Volkswagen show, so it's worth it.
Right, we got the Astro van all loaded up. We're gonna do swap meet stuff. We're not taking our Volkswagens, and we're just gonna have fun going up there.
Yes, we are. We're gonna probably do a little junking along the way, eat a little bit, and have some fun. And boy, join us. Let's go see what we can do this weekend.
Yeah.
So, all right, we just spotted a Volkswagen thing over here. So who knows what we're gonna do? So let's see here without hitting that man.
We hit lunch, and then we hit an estate sale.
Yeah, and then I go, hey, look, a Volkswagen thing, and here is a 74 thing over here. So
yeah,
nobody home, so we left a nice message, and I'm gonna put a card on this, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's got it looks good. It was registered in 16. Martin's been wanting a thing. He's always talking about having a thing, lowering it, you know, having his beard blowing in the wind.
So it was a hotel built in like 1900.
So this is the
90 rooms. It had one of the first hotels in the area to have AC. This would be a bar at one time.
Right here.
This was the main lobby with the bus stop.
It was probably a speakeasy.
But this guy right here is rated as the #1 Jaguar restoration shop in the U.S.
Look at his truck.
He took home first place at the Pebble Beach Car Show at Duesenberg.
And this is it right here.
This is it right here.
Nondescript. Doesn't say anything about it.
Jeff's Resurrections.
How's it going? Is that MG?
Yeah.
Nice. You got any Volkswagen parts?
Whoa. Hey, Matt Jackson. Well, we're just looking for junk. He says he's got some Volkswagens out in the Badlands. I am not going to South Dakota to look for a Volkswagen. Oh, I thought he said Badlands.
No, out of town.
Oh, never mind. Okay. I was like, South Dakota, that's a long way to go.
So what we're doing here is we're looking for anything that we can take with us to the swap meet tomorrow.
True.
And just looking for treasures.
Oh, yes, and we found all kinds of treasures. Found a Manco go-kart with magnesium wheels. So what you look for, though, when we're looking for, sometimes you never know. We just find a little something Volkswagen, and that's like, then you're kind of like you've hit the window, but so you just got to look, like headlights or tail lights or whatever you may say. Look at that radio. Look, Buick. So here's what happens. You know what? In the old days, we'd go on a road trip. You could, like, you know, you drink some Cokes and Dr. Peppers. You know where? Look at this. Where are the dang Fritos? Well, now we're having some sort of veggie chips. Oh, hey, I got some Oreos. Oh, great, Martin. Oh, they're gluten-free. They're like, they taste like mush. What is the world? I don't know.
He's saying it. You didn't even try it.
I do not know who my people are anymore. I don't know. I'm shunning you.
This comes from a man that eats pork chops, and that's it. Pork chops.
I love pork chops.
That's all you eat. Pork chops and whatever.
What in the world?
It's right up here.
Is it a shop?
It's next to the house. It's next to the house, but I don't think anybody's in the house. The house was empty. Corner right there. This one makes it a little stuff. Yeah, it's a Beetle, dude. Look at it right ahead.
I don't see it.
Look at the bumper right there. There's the bumper. It's a 74. Just stop right there. Look, right there. 74
Oh, yeah,
Beetle.
yeah. Martin spotted a Beetle.
It's a 70.
It's like a 70.
Pop outs. It's original though, dude. There's a bunch of spider webs. I don't want to fuck around with it.
Well, no one's home and we left a note. So I spotted a Volkswagen off the highway. We're gonna go check it out.
Way to go, Matt Jackson. There. Old Chevy over there.
Wow, there's a thing and a bus.
And a Scout or something right there. Hey.
Should we open the back? Let's see what we got. Nothing, not even a transaxle. So there's a real nice thing here too. Pretty cool. So we found this bus and it's not for sale. Not too bad.
Oh well.
That thing was on the road not that long ago.
Yeah, 2014.
Oh, that's not bad.
Gary spotted that one.
Yay, Bay Window. Bay Window Mafia.
You gotta find one down.
So it's getting pretty late and we're not even in Houston yet.
No, we're in Waller, Matt Jackson, but we're having fun.
Yeah, we've been searching all day.
How many Volkswagens have we found today? I found a Thing and a now a Bay. Matt, and you found a
Thing and a
Thing and a Bay. And Martin found us a nice Beetle.
Right.
And who saw that Baja?
Oh, in the Baja.
I did.
So see,
We're 2-2. Yeah. So
we've seen 6 Volkswagens.
we need a
great.
tiebreaker.
Oh, we'll find it. I'm feeling it.
All right, so we made it into Houston, and we were gonna hit up Kima to grab something to eat.
Yeah, and then we found a car show here at the Home Depot. And look, there's a Volkswagen.
Yeah, it's pretty shiny.
So
too.
yeah, but this is like an impromptu one of those Saturday night things. Like, these are the best kind of shows ever, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, it's just people showing up having a good time.
Yeah, I always like these. We used to have these in Austin, but the Home Depot there said, now get. But now here, they obviously like everybody. Ooh, look at that Corvette. Smells just.
We found some more Volkswagens. A nice Kia.
bought it too.
And a fastback.
Yeah.
I mean, a
nice
Sportback.
square, yeah. And a 71 Kia. Oh no, it's a zip line. Oh, there's somebody on me.
All right.
Zip line. Let's do it.
So we made it to the Kima Boardwalk.
We're here.
Yeah, this is.
VW Live. We are tourists today or tonight.
That's right.
This is pretty cool. I've never been down here. Even though I grew up in Houston, this is all kind of new down here to me.
We're just gonna grab something to eat and enjoy the nightlife before tomorrow's big show.
Oh yeah. We'll probably get liquored up.
Get all liquored up.
Life's like a box of chocolates.
And now we see Cheeto, the one and only.
We'll just walk up to the window and be like, Cheeto.
Just open the door and get in.
Cheeto.
Cheeto.
Hell, man.
How's it going?
Anybody driving around there?
How's it going, dude?
Good to see you guys.
Oh wow, it's a bar.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
This is awesome. It's a bar.
It's a bar. This is really cool. Look, she's actually in it.
We gotta get a drink out of this.
We're kind of gonna wrap up the video for today. We had a lot of fun junking our way all the way to Houston.
All right, night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, VW Lifers. Sweet dreams.